Hey guys, check this out. I just got the CMM Off-Road Grab Bar Ball Mount. Inside the package, you get a thank you card with instructions, some stickers, and the mount itself. This 1-inch ball mount is made of aerospace-grade aluminum with an anodized coating. Okay, so to get this installed, you'll need to pull out an 8mm Allen key from your toolkit. With that, just head over to the grab bar on the passenger side of your Jeep. Using the 8mm Allen key, remove the stock bolt from the grab handle. Now just screw in the mount from CMM Off-Road. Using the same 8mm Allen key, tighten the mount. I also picked up a ram mount double socket arm, so let's get that mounted, along with an Amazon phone holder to complete the setup. And that's it. Time to test it out and hit the road. Pick up your ball mount from CMM Off-Road, and as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.